Good morning, and thank you for joining us at SPLC Channel 316. We are opening our broadcast with Charlie, who is on location at St. Paul Lutheran Church in Union, Missouri. Charlie, are you there?
Yes, I am. We're going to talk to Karen and other members of the Sunday School about how they will be donating items to the Lutheran World Relief Program. Karen, can you please explain this program?
Yes, thank you. In class we had been talking about missions and we felt that we really wanted to do something to help. So we decided to make school kits that will be sent to help families around the world by the Lutheran World Relief Program.
When you say around the world, where exactly will these kits be going?
Allison, can you show us on the globe?
Sure. In 2020, the kits will go to Angola, India, Ecuador, and Ukraine. There is a big need right now for quilts and kits to go to the refugee camps as well.
Allison, you mentioned quilts. Are you also making quilts to send?
We are not, but there is a group of people from our church that have been making quilts to help people.
So there is a number of ways people can help and get involved.
Yes, there is. You can ask one of our teachers for more information.
Thank you, Allison. We will now hear from Peyton, who is in the gathering area of the church with Leland. Over to you, Peyton.
Thanks, Charlie. Leland, can you show us what a kit looks like?
Yeah, Peyton, a canvas bag full with school supplies.
Can you open it and show us what's in it?
I thought you would never ask. Wait, I need some help. Box of crayons. Pins. A ruler. Notebook. Unsharpened pencils. Scissors. Oh. Pencil sharpener. On a eraser.
Back to you, Charlie.
Thanks, Peyton. Karen, can you show us how the Sunday School is going to gather all these supplies for the school kids?
Here we are at the Giving Wall. The Sunday School is asking the congregation to help donate supplies.
All you do is take a ticket, or two, or three, and donate whatever is on the ticket.
Yes, if you don't want to shop, you can donate money and we will shop for you and use any extra money for shipping costs.
Where can people leave their donations?
They can leave their donations in the basket or church office.
Back to you, Peyton.
Thank you, Charlie, for that great report. Items for the donation can be found on the giving wall near the church office. Please put those items in basket under the giving wall and give money donations to Sue in the church office. Thank you for turning in to SPLC this morning. We will continue our broadcast from the newsroom after a few messages.
Listen, God is calling through the word inviting, offering forgiveness, comfort, and joy. Listen, God is calling through the word inviting, offering forgiveness, comfort, and joy. Jesus gave his mandate, share